cleaning up the neighbor's yard for her. No charge, Radford Homes. At an old cactus eyesore. Timber cactus. We getting it out of here, helping her out. It's my neighbor that's over here by my duplex. So I told her I would hook her up. Get her yard cleaned up for her. That's what we do at Radford Homes, man. We take care of the west side. We're gonna take care of that tree right there, and we're gonna take care of this cactus and that other tree over there. Get it all out of here. Give us a call if you need us, 863-410-0877. Removing cactus in the neighbor yard on the west side. Giving back, my community. First Providence Missionary Baptist Church, my childhood church. And I got my general contractor over here making some phone calls. And I also have the guy over here removing some stumps because we're putting up a tree. We're putting in a fence. But we couldn't put the fence in today because the stumps were in the way. So my stump guy had to come back out here. And he's taking them up. There's my general contractor there making some phone calls. And that right there is the duplex that we're flipping in Bartow. On April the 4th, I will be teaching you how we flip houses. We closed on a house today that we paid $60,000 and we sold it for $136,000 today. You can do the same thing. It's not that difficult. I'll show you how to do that. True story. Apartment we bought in Winter Haven in August of last year for $60,000. We sold it today for $136,000. You could do the same thing. We paid $18,000 to rehab it. We got $91,000 in liens dropped by going up to the city hall, the court, the municipal. You can do the same thing, folks. And that right there is Mr. T. Gregory, my GC. And we're taking care of the neighbor's yard across the street. If you need me, give me a call. It's my phone number right there, 863-410-0877. See what they got going on over here. It's a stump grinder right here. We're grinding up the stump so we can put the fence right here. Is it stuck? Look at how they're maneuvering it out of there. I think it's a little stuck and they're trying to get it out. because of stumps, yeah. Go on down, Big Daddy. Yeah, go down. Right there. Grind it away. Covering it back up. It makes some big holes, but we can't put a fence down here if we don't get these stumps out of the way. And if we do put a fence down here, the stump's just gonna grow back in the fence and uproot it like it did the other fence. That's a waste of $2,000 or $3,000. We ain't trying to do that. We're trying to make money, not lose money. All right, that got that wire in it, Big Daddy. You all right? All right. See that stump right here, y'all? It got a little wire in there from the fence. Let me get out of the way. That thing can fly out of there. Y'all hear it? Y'all hear that, man? It's eating it up. That's a rock right there. Hit right here, Big Daddy. Hit right here. This concrete. Hold up. That's concrete. Yeah, come on out of there. Come over here, Big Daddy. Just mow those down, yeah. Hold up. That's concrete. Yeah, mow those down right there. Yeah. Go ahead, Big Daddy. Gregory. All right, thank you. Appreciate you, big dog. All right, this is my GC, y'all. He take care of me on all my projects. I keep this film on him, too.
I'm about to get used to it, like feel it.
All right, I know. So call me in the morning about the permit. I mean, about the survey. All right. Okay, all right. is the old fence right here that we took down. It's no good. Thank you, Miss Joyce. We're trying to make it look good over here. In that corner, Big Daddy. All right, we're tearing down this, we're taking care of the neighbor's yard. I went over there and talked to the neighbor, like I always do. I figured that cactus is not a friendly plant, a tree. I asked her, did she want me to remove it for absolutely nothing? And she said, absolutely. So we're removing this thing for her free of charge. It looks bad over here, so we're gonna clean it up. That's what we do. Doing something about it. Hey, cut that down too. That tree right there, cut that, yeah. And cut that thing there too, yeah. Thank you, man. Man, you getting it, man. You ain't getting stuck yet, have you? Yeah. All right, be careful now. Man, this cactus ain't no joke, man. All right, we're trying to remove this cactus. We got to be safe over here now. And we got to haul it away too. All right, and there's the duplex that we're renovating. And that's my childhood church, First Providence Missionary Baptist Church, where I grew up at, West Bartow, West Side, baby. All right, I'm out of here, man. Talk to y'all later. If you need me, give me a call, 863-410-0877. Salute all veterans. Keep God first, Luke 1:37.